Hey, I'm Megan, this is Bahati, and that's Chunny.
So we are about to start baking and we are gonna be making brownies. Here are some of the ingredients and yeah, let's get started.
Okay, now we're gonna preheat it to 350 Fahrenheit. So we'll just start that bad boy.
It's obvious, we don't have degrees there.
So now we need 113 grams of butter, and this is 125. So we're just gonna guess how much we should leave out, and then put the rest over heat in the thing. Oh wait, fuck. Wait. There we go. Is that good?
Yeah, this looks so good, man. We are winning this competition already.
I wouldn't speak too soon.
Okay. That whole cup of sugar? No.
So we don't have any measuring devices, so we're kind of stuck. We need 1 cup of sugar, but we don't know if it's like this cup. I don't know if it's like this cup.
Or,
No,
it cannot be that one. It can also be this one.
They're all different sizes, bro.
So, we're definitely gonna go for the smaller one.
Okay, are you sure?
Yeah, you can't take all. This
I
is
feel
sugar,
like
bro.
this is a cup.
This is gonna be too much. So, I assume this one will work.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. This is 1 egg, so we are using 2 eggs. Cool.
Okay. And we've got sugar, eggs. What else do we have to put in the thing? Sugar, egg, and vanilla. I'll go get the vanilla. Where did we put the vanilla?
Did you even get vanilla? What the fuck?
I did.
This is gonna be so neat.
Let's just do it. Okay, sugar. Then eggs. Actually, that's starting to look right. That looks like brownies. What's next? I can just reuse this cup. Poured in the flour, and now we're doing 1/3 of cocoa. Oh, this is nice. Sorry, did you need that? Okay. That's good, right? Okay. And we'll just stir it up. Brownies.
Too easy.
Oh, it's actually doing something. It's like clumping. Look at this.
Wow.
It's like diarrhea. But it smells good.
Let's go.
Jesus. Okay.
Oh man, this already smells like a cookie.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
I feel like you just can't go wrong with like melted butter and sugar and stuff. Okay. What is next? What's next?
It smells good. Okay, I think we need to pour in the pan. Yeah, we have to pour in the pan.
Whoa! Look at it now, wait.
Oh, it's getting thick.
Good, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. We're not fucking this up. We just pour one baked in and then we'll cut it later.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, you kind of can cut it right now.
Alright.
Okay. And then yeah, just spread it.
Just pour it?
Yeah. That's what I said. Just spread that into the pan.
Here, come get this. It looks so gross.
This doesn't look like anything. What?
Okay, I'm sure it'll be fine. It'll rise, I think.
Apple? You put in flour, right?
Yeah.
I trust you guys.
No, you shouldn't.
Okay, let's put it in the oven. We're just gonna look, when we finish, it's gonna look like this.
Okay, fine.
They're all flat.
Wow, that doesn't make a lot.
I know.
I think just leave it like that.
Okay, we're gonna put it in the oven right now.
Eventually.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby.
Oh!
Brownies are done. We get there someday. They say.
Holy! Take it out, take it out.
Just look at the slow way. Oh yeah, you got it, you got it. Still together. It's burned. It's burned.
Oh my god.
You called this a brownie? Oh no.
So, up next. Oh, fuck. Ah, this is so good.
Here, cut a piece so we can try it. These the odds together.
Come get a plate.
No plate. They say
How does it taste?
hot.
It's hot, man. Why are you rushing? So, basically, this is how it looks, man.
It is good though.
This looks so yummy before I even
It's
try
alright.
it.
I mean, it's the best brownie I've ever tasted.
I mean, you can tell from the look, man. You can tell from the look. This is so good. Give me a sec.
How does it taste? Okay.
Oh, jokes aside, this shit is so good. Boy, keep taking videos.
Try it here.
1 hour later.
So, apparently, we just realized that we forgot to put in the baking powder. That's definitely the reason why it's... Stop. This is gonna...